Yo, what's up? It's your boy Shaq, and I'm back at it with the 89YZ250 build. I'm sorry I haven't been up to date on everything. I kind of been posting pictures more than videos, but here's the update. I've literally put everything back together. I don't know where I last left off on my videos, but I'll show you guys. Well, I'll tell you real quick. I installed brand new AS3 performance radiator hoses. I got moose racing, chain guide, I don't know the name brand of it, I forgot the name, but they gave me a chain tensioner roller and the upper chain guide also. Show you guys that real quick. Oh, and I put my chain on. So that's the moose racing chain guide right there. I installed that and that, and I also installed those stickers. And I tried to install a new power valve. I don't know if you guys can see. There you go. Yeah, and don't have the spring. Hard to find, so I'm about to have to pay another $220 for another power valve that I found. I believe the 1990 model power valve is the exact match, so I found it. I'm gonna have to go get it. Oh yeah, my radiator hoses. Zoom out. Let me see. Performance AS3. Yeah, I don't know if you can see the AS3 in there. That's hard. Yep. With that being said, everything is put back together. I'm literally going to just have to put some radiator fluid, some two-stroke oil, and a new power valve because I can't start it or, you know, hit the power band without the spring or be stuck in the on position. So, or up or high, however you say it. But other than that, it's all. Oh yeah, and I need to take like 2 or 3 links off of my chain because it's super loose. But yeah, other than that, it's all put back together. I'm pretty upset right now because I just installed that power valve and come to find out I'm missing the spring, and that threw it all off. But other than that, it's put back together. I'm gonna go buy the new power valve either today or tomorrow, and it'll be here by the 10th of, or the 6th to the 10th of whatchamacallit, November. So it's an easy install. It's easier than it looks. So I'm just gonna install the new power valve when I get it, and then break it in. Oh yeah, and I forgot also I installed new brake caliper also, because the brake calipers I had were perfectly fine other than the tap where you screw it in. The threads were all messed up, so they were going in diagonally and leaking oil. So yeah, I went and bought 2 brand new brake calipers, and these are perfect. And what's awesome is it came with brand new brakes. I don't know if you can see that. Brand new brakes. Also right here, I brought it out. It's dark. Let me see. Anyways, I'll post some pictures.
Just got the brakes in. Brand new brake pads. OEM.
Alright. So, I ain't gonna lie. I already started it up once. But I didn't want to make sure it was gonna work. This motherfucker sounds good, yo. Check it out.